This is Lance from Lance's Auto Vlog, and I'm starting with a new project. So we got this Harley Davidson. This is David's Harley Davidson. So he came in, he had a bunch of gear put on already. He had some tweeters up here, and some drivers in here. DC, or I don't know what this brand is, but got horns. They're pretty expensive. Here's the crossover for the horns. It's got amps. They use some ferrules, but you know, they use some stuff on here. And they use a DSP. I think there's a DSP in here. I think I remember seeing a DSP. But this one's gonna be a little different because it's got a high-low here, a pack one. This is basically a wire rescue plus a reset up on the whole bike. So we're pulling the speakers out. He's got some saddlebags he's already taken apart, but we're gonna pull this wiring out. Got quick disconnects. He's got some good looking stuff, but you know, some of it's done really well, but then you got some of the stuff that's not done so well. You know, they got two different styles of fuses. So you got a maxi fuse, and then of course I pulled the cover off it, and then that came apart. So we're gonna take that out. We're gonna upgrade the battery. He's got fuses, different fuses for different things, which I don't know what everything goes to, so I'm gonna have to sort through all of it. Then he's got a different fuse here for something else. I guess that's for another amp. And we just have to figure it all out. We're just gonna gut it and start from scratch. That way it's all nice and done well. So we got the backbone's been pulled off, and I should say the gas tank's been pulled off. Everything's been taken off the bike. I got to go through it, run new wires, and then put new speakers in, and then go through all the wiring again with new amps and everything. So we're gonna do sound digital amps, Metro tray, and all the good stuff. So we should be fine in the long run, but we got to go through this bike and just go through it top to bottom. All right, stay tuned. There's the wiring, the new wiring I ran. Should get an idea. It's all going tucked in here. This is underneath the backbone in that section. And then if you look here, you can see the wiring zip tie here to this section here. And then I'm cleaning up still this section here. So I'm gonna cover all these butt connectors and get rid of the solder on those. You can look at some of the wiring here. So the amp rack's in. Speakers up front end, except for the tweeters. Some of the wires you can't tell are changed already, so you can see the new loom there. One there. There you go. That's all the wiring so far. Just got to get the rest of this little battery post terminal thing worked out really nicely. So you got fuse in the back and the front. Looks really good. The cover goes on. It's actually pretty neat. Cover goes on, covers up everything, and this snaps in like so. And we gotta put the screws in it, and everything's all together. A little bit here, but that's about it. And that turned out nice. Then all the wiring's put back together here. You need that bass knob, and the amps are wired up. The DSP's in. It's just not RC is not plugged in, so everything's all in there, and everything's tight and neat. Going in there, waiting on the bags, which I'll hopefully get tomorrow. I can wire those up, put the quick disconnects on them so they come out real easily, and you're in business. The lids are ready to go, the connectors are on them. The bags are on. The battery's being charged on the charger. The base knob's hooked up. I did have to glue the knob a little bit in the bottom because it was popped off. And the amps are in. And your shut-off switch here. He can even take it out and plug if he needs to. That's in. So it's ready to go back to him. I'm done.
What is that, a GoPro?
Yeah.